Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. You obviously know what the video is about today because you've read it in the description below. What I will tell you is I'm almost home, so my video is coming to an end, whereas yours is just beginning. It was a marvellous day. I want to say thank you first and foremost to Bug Out Vehicles UK. Rich, thank you for putting the day on. It was absolutely brilliant. I enjoyed it. I'm hoping everybody else enjoyed it, and I'm encouraging everybody to comment below and indeed comment on Rich's video when it comes out, which is going to be a lot more lengthy than my video. Mine's just a tiny snippet because I only spent a few hours there. There's obviously folk there that have been camping all weekend, as Rich has, so it'll be a lot more in depth than my 5-minute, 10-minute long video, which is what this is going to be. I also want to thank people that came over and said hello, people who spent a bit of time walking around with me, and even Simon, who convoyed over with me, didn't have to do that, so thank you all guys so much. I appreciate you guys, I really do. This is probably going to be my final video before E-Dale, where I'm hopefully planning something a bit better and a bit longer. It's going to be a bit of a long video, that, because I just fancy making something a little bit special, although I am at the Great Northern Shooting Show tomorrow. So again, thank you. Please leave a comment. If you're watching the video and you're not subscribed, please subscribe. Very important to me at the moment because I'm chasing 1,000 subs, at which point I will be doing a giveaway, hoping it's going to be quite a special giveaway. So yeah, if you leave a comment, obviously interactions, I don't know if you watched Rich's last video, but interactions, they're what YouTube's algorithms go off. If you leave me a thumbs up, a thumbs down, a comment, a subscribe, a share, it's all monitored by YouTube. All this helps my channel grow and push it to a bigger audience, which is what I need. So, you know, please comment. Stay tuned to the end of the video. It's only going to be a short one, if I ever stop talking, to see the conclusion and see whether it was going to be the first of many or whether it's going to be the only one. I've left it a little bit open for you. And of course, please go and watch Rich's video, which I'll hopefully remember to put a link in the description below, as well as all the other channels that I've discussed or items I've discussed throughout the day. Alright guys, thank you very much, and we'll start the video right here for you. So where am I? What was that intro all in aid of? All that motorway driving, some nice scenery. So we've come here for the first ever Bug Out Vehicles UK meet. Now I'm going to take you around the camp, show you some of the vehicles, show you, it's not a bad turnout to be fair, show you some of the vehicles, show you what's going on here. Just a group of like-minded people that have come and gathered just to obviously meet Rich if they haven't already met him, or see Edna if they haven't already seen her, or they want to see her in the flesh. So yeah, let's quit the chat and go and have a walk around the field, and I'll show you what's going on. Well, you'll see military vehicles all over the place here. Obviously it's a military museum. And obviously is the cafeteria and the on-site facilities. Bit of an artillery cannon just here. To be fair, it's very, very, very good turnout. I'm impressed. Impressed with what's going on. Let's take a wander around. There's quite a few familiar faces. I've already been round once just to say a quick hello to everybody. So this will be the second time, so hopefully I won't get interrupted much, he says confidently. There's the old hippo, and that's our mode of transport for today. She's a lovely looking girl. Unfortunately, I think she'll be going soon. Need to make way for a works vehicle, a van. Obviously a VW camper. Oh, a Land Cruiser. If I didn't have a Land Rover, I would have one of them. You've got your DAFs. Prepared to cook and survive.
Seen it in your video, no? That's mad, you've got that in my house. Tricks and trials. Oh, no, no.
Some nice setups here. I mean, look at that. What a beast. Mr. Hamilton in his 110. Look at this reprobate just here. Probably doesn't want to be on video.
No, probably not.
The man with many names.
Yeah, the man with many disguises.
Hey, didn't you used to have a beard, or is that someone else?
My brother.
Looks like you, just with a beard. So yes, I think we'll have a look around this setup when we get to Edale. So I've chatted to the lad that owns it. Just started a YouTube channel, so I'll leave a link in the description. And yeah, go and sub him. It's a very, very nice lightweight trailer system that he's had built. It's an absolutely stunning piece of kit. But I'll hopefully catch up to him at Edale and we can have a rundown of exactly what it is and how much it weighs and everything. I know a little bit, but obviously we'll speak to him and see if he wants to give you a bit more info. There's the girl in question, Miss Edna. Don't know where Rich is. Briefly saw him before. He's probably sleeping in the back. With air conditioning on. Having a brew in his bed. But yeah, some stunning, stunning rigs. Anyway guys, I'll clock off for now and I'll bring you back in a little while when something interesting is going on. So we're just all congregating together now just to go and have a bit of a tour around the museum. Obviously, as Rich says, put some money in the pot and just help them, as they're a charitable company, doing everything we can just to help them. So yeah, a little bit of a group of us. A few more vehicles have turned up. Mart the Mad Scientist has turned up. I'll put a link to his channel below. Obviously you've got Lee, he's a familiar face if you've seen Rich's videos. Lee's always about...
Hello internet.
Hello the internet. Obviously I've already mentioned Prepared to Cook and Survive. There's a few of the lads have obviously turned up. But as I say, I'm going to hopefully film a few bits around the museum right now and show you guys.
Have not died in combat. Their graves are not covered by the European War Graves Commission. Now we find them looking like this and we leave them looking like that. I think you'll agree with me, we do a good job.
Indeed.
We don't use any chemicals, it's just hot water from what's called a doff machine. We leave them, we go all over the country. The last one they did, I think was one in Italy somewhere. And moving on from that, this is the guy who the museum is named after, James Ashworth VC. He broke cover on 4 separate occasions. Last time he broke cover, he had a live hand grenade in his hand. A ricochet bullet hit the hand holding the hand grenade, causing him to drop it. It was the only hand grenade that took his own life. Pinned down by 4 Taliban snipers. Actions prior to that happening, so he was awarded the Victoria Cross. The boots, the beret and the smock in the cabinet there, all donated by James's father. 23, no age is in.
Right, third time a charm. I've just finished the tour, just come through it. It took about an hour and a half. Absolutely fascinating, if I'm completely honest. I only filmed the beginning bit, as you've obviously just seen, which is Keith talking about what the charity does, which is absolutely a lovely sentiment and amazing. I'm sure you will agree. If you want to see the tour, obviously come to the museum. As I say, it takes about an hour and a half, costs £10, and come along and see what it's all about. It's absolutely amazing, and I don't regret for a second going through that. Alright guys, I'm going to go back over to the camp, which is just over here. And I'm probably going to say farewell to everybody, and I'm going to hit the road. So yeah, I'll bring you back shortly. Right everybody, I've had a quick walk around the field and said my goodbyes to everybody. I would have taken you around again, but check this out. I mean, I'm sure you can see that on the windscreen. That is good Yorkshire rain, that. Yeah, so I've said my goodbyes to everybody. I'm just going to put it out on film as well. Thank you very much, Rich, for putting this on. Bug Out Vehicles UK, if you're not subscribed to him, which you probably are, because I've got 90% of my subscribers off him, like I've just said to him. But if you're not, go and subscribe to him, because this is a worthy cause. Please leave a comment below. Yeah, if you were here, just thanking him for it. Or you know, if you couldn't make it, just leave me a comment below, and go and leave a comment on his page as well, because he's been making a video today, but I'd appreciate you leaving a lot of comments, because we need to kind of G him up a little bit so he does this again. Now he's thinking about doing another one towards the back end of summer, but the more encouragement he gets, you know, the better it is. The better it is. So leave me comments, leave him comments. If you were here, leave comments. Just let's swamp the whole of YouTube with comments about this, because yeah, I'd like to see this an annual event. I'd like to see him doing it at least once a year, maybe twice a year, where we have a Bug Out Vehicles UK get together. You know, this is a brilliant location. If we outgrow the location, I'm sure there's somewhere nearby that we could do it in. But yeah, what a venue, brilliant walkthrough before, going through the museum, absolutely fantastic, and I'd do it all again. Anyway guys, I'm going to sign off for now. I've got an hour and a half, 2 hour journey home, and tomorrow is the Great Northern Shooting Show that I'm going to as well, so hopefully the camera will be back out there, so I need to get home and charge everything up ready for tomorrow. So thank you very much for obviously tuning in. Do you tune in nowadays? Tuning in is what you do in the olden days, to tune in the telly. Thank you for logging on, as it were, and yeah, watching this video, and hopefully we'll see you again very soon. And yeah, please leave a comment. If you're not subscribed, please click the subscribe button below. Every little bit helps. Every subscriber helps. I'm trying to grow the channel to 1,000 subscribers at the moment, where I've got a great giveaway that we're going to do when we start getting close. Right folks, thank you very much. Until next time, bye bye.